our first ever YouTube video. The plan for today is we're going to be leaving Dun Fudgin boat ramp in Gloucester, Mass, and heading out to Tillies Bank.
The goal is to catch cod, haddock, cusk, hopefully shark. Let's see how it goes.
Let's get into the video.
Yep.
Alto. Está todo. Sí, venimos al marea alta. Lo asustó, ¿verdad? Sí, el barco bien cerrado.
Oh, waiting for it to get lower so they can pass through there.
That cruise ship won't go through that. No way. No way. It's too wet and wide.
Well, no better convincing anything from the water.
Hey.
Oh, fuck my ass. Shit.
Fuck you in the what?
No, my ass. Shit.
What?
My ass hurt. Oh.
Fat tuna, sweet dream on 16.
They got it. It got mad light.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know if it came off. Maybe. Brother.
Hey.
Something.
Yeah,
Look.
Oh, shit. What the heck is that?
It's the same one I got, huh?
No, it's this.
Yeah, it's okay, little bit.
Yo, Marvin, there's no way, bro. I brought all that chum.
Bro, we can double line some 50-pound leader. Double line at home.
On what hook?
You can use these hooks, bro.
Go to Super 99 after this.
Yo.
Gotta get some fish home.
Ese pescado viene de Florida.
Is it cod?
No, de los mismos.
No? Haddock? Oh, haddock.
Haddock.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the camera's right here. Oh, yeah. Sí, señor. Sí, señorito. It looks like cod, doesn't it?
Looks like it.
It's too small, way too small.
How do you guys know? Maybe it's gender neutral.
Yeah.
I don't know. You can hide it somewhere.
Se murió. I don't know. He's trying. That one's mad illegal.
Yeah.
Yo, deadass, I probably had these things. I probably had these things for the ill minute, bro. Yo, so are we actually gonna try to catch for shark after or not? I'm gonna keep it for now in case we do. Yeah, I didn't want to catch it. It's okay. Swim away, buddy. It's okay. Son of a bitch.
Alright, guys, welcome to the first ever Bay State Boys video. With the Captain Marvin.
Yo, what the fuck is that? Hey, yo, Edgar.
Birthday boy Noe.
Hey, man, no.
What's up?
Oh, what's up?
Watch out.
We got Edgar here in the back. We'll catch it, nothing but vibes, boys. Nothing but vibes.
What happened?
Yo, show them the burger today.
Hold on.
Yo, don't you use that knife to like cut up bait? Yeah, nah.
Hey, tu sabes. Yeah, we cut the clam with this. Dude, we're one with the fish, Pedro.
That glazzy's about to smell like food. No, we got something or Marvin?
Nah. Marvin.
No, he just got my
No, I do
glass.
got some.
Oh, he got two cod. Hell yeah. I mean,
alright.
oh, that's a beautiful haddock. Bring it in to me. Hell yeah. No, you bring that one in. Why are you not acting like that one is important? Bro, Bring it in, motherfucker! Bro.
We keeping this one or what?
Nah, it's not. I'll keep it. It's too small. Hey.
Yo, you can get locked up for those, bro.
Yeah, you can get. I'll risk it for you. No, it's okay. Let's do a live catch and cook page.
Can you open it?
Yeah, I got a Haddock, bro.
Yo, let's go. Let's go.
That one? Oh,
yeah.
shit.
All right.
Mine's bigger than yours.
Fuck you.
Hey, what you mean by that, though?
Hey, no, you want to make it back to dock? Mine is bigger.
Yeah.
17, Martin.
Which one?
The one I got.
That ass? Yeah, this one's. Damn, this one's 16.
16?
What's Wait, what's legal on this one?
I mean, we don't have signal here. We can't check, so.
We'll have to throw it back.
Oh, dang it.
Where's the green bag?
Throw it back.
Yeah, we gotta throw it back.
Throw it back.
Ooh, he's got the rest of the
Get the net, where's the net? I don't know. Zoom out of there.
Oh,
Shit.
that's a big.
That's a sexy ass card right there.
That's a big.
Ahora sí.
A ver.
17 too, look.
Why somebody.
I'm putting my
Sir.
No, that's basically. Yeah, that's a nice one. Huh? He's digging him out and feeling it. You gotta. Look at that beauty.
That's
Ooh,
go to.
hey, Noe. I got a fish on my line. Let it go.
Ooh, I can see her belly.
Yo.
Yeah. Yo, what we're on this thing, it's the same thing.
We're fighting each other over
There.
Wow, it's heavy.
Come
Wow.
off.
Yo.
There's no way. There's no way.
Yeah, that's a decent size.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just throwing it in there, bro.
Bro, you can see that bitch fighting back.
It's like a whale shark. Ya vienes.
Fucking whale.
Ya vienes.
It's right here.
Yeah.
Yo, I got it in
¿Y
that.
aquel de quién es?
That's a fucking shark coming, bro.
It's a shark.
Pedro, I got a shark.
Yo, it's a shark. Oh. Wow, that's a nice
Oh
shark.
my god.
Yeah. Aquel es la de Pedro.
Uy. Yo, that bitch was heavy, Pedro. Oh my god.
That's a nice
Uy.
shark. Este sí pelea. Este sí pelea. Sardo.
No, it's not. I don't know what it is.
Este es el asesino.
Marvin.
You see that spine right there?
Whoa, I'm to its back.
shoot.
You got to fight.
Yo, Pedro, feel that shit? Feel that shit?
Nah, I'm good, bro.
No, bien that. Yo, shut that. Feel that.
That's poisonous.
Yo, Pedro, they bit this motherfucker right here.
You probably got another shark on the way up with that one.
Oh. We in shark territory, bitch.
He was probably fighting with his like brother or sister, something. They're like, come back down. Where you going?
What the hell? Yo.
It's caught. Otro caught grande, verga. Wow, qué lindo. Look, Marvin, get it. Wow,
80 pounder, bro.
¿Acuerdas que era conmigo, verga?
Hey, Edgar, no se olvide. Edgar, no
Yo,
se
that's a
olvide.
beauty. Yo.
Holy shit. Hell yeah. Hey, hold on.
Ese brinca.
Yo, look at the one I caught, bro.
Yeah, look at the one you caught, right? Yo, that's
Yo.
Yo.
bro. Yo, the bird's back. Yo, it's on each other. Don't move, it's on your head. He was on. What the hell? How do we catch this shit, bro?
Catch it.
Marvin, where? Guys, can we go home? No.
Yo, there's no way you're scared right now. No way.
Sunfish. Look, Marvin, the bird is right there. Yeah, it's a sunfish, right?
Es un tiburón, cacha, hermano.
Ha! No, gracias.
Get the gun. That's the ugliest fish, bro. That's a turtle.
That's a sunfish. Yo, he left. Ven que les digo que
Yo, that shit swims fast as fuck, bro.
Damn. What the fuck?
Oh, big difference. The fish is on.
Oh yeah. Yeah, watch it be nothing.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I feel like they ain't shit because you ain't fighting no more. Who's lying, bro? Is that somebody else's line?
Yeah.
It's on my line, don't you?
We're on the sun side. Now you guys are.
Oh. That one was 20.
Yo, when did everyone come over here, bro? Damn, bro.
Yo, that ass so dumb. I think we're gonna have to decommission this side.
That's the only shade I can get.
Where you at? No,
Right here. You guys want a hamburger? The buns are gonna be all squished up.
fucking sat on the bun.
No, they're making a nice pillow. Fuck, for real? Oh shit, I did. I'm just joking, but I actually did.
Yo, if I ain't catching a fish, nobody's catching a fish, bro.
That's crazy. You're mad greedy, bro.
Yo.
I'm the only one that hasn't caught anything.
Exactly.
Yo, I can't waste my time.
No, real shit though. After you pull this one out, let's pull out and reverse a little bit this one.
Nigga, say no.
I don't pull out.
Yeah, me either.
I'm the only one that can prove it.
Okay.
Yeah, I need a.
Mind the beer.
I had it open here. Oh, that's a nice. Damn, Pedro.
Let's go.
Another one.
Another one. This dry streak is over. Dry streak is over, chat.
Damn, these red ones.
Hell yeah, I love that boat.
Seven.